I'm a non-safe driver, yeah, better not drive me. Imagine when I go home, I'm not getting 90 passing up 18-wheelers. I just cut them off and they just honk at me after they come off.
Yeah.
They can't catch up to me because they're too heavy for the curves. I'll bust out the Fast and the Furious. Make them look bad.
Yeah, sure.
I'll make them look bad.
Yeah?
See, someone's...
Oh, your girlfriend!
Oh, it's your girlfriend.
Woo!
What? Yeah.
Woo!
Oh.
Oh, god damn it, son of a mother! Get that shit out of here. How the fuck did I delete this? Oh!
Oh my gosh!